Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Streamlabs OBS and logging into your Twitch account. Make sure you're in the scene you want. Click the plus button and add an alert box or media source depending on whether this is a chat or donation sound. Choose your audio file, set playback to single or loop, and set volume. Once done, name the source clearly for future edits and lock other scene elements so you don't accidentally move them while testing. Next, dive into the alert box settings to map sounds to specific events. This is where you control the how and why. For each event, followers, bits, donations, assign the audio file and adjust volume and delay so alerts don't overlap. Set cooldown to prevent spam and priority to ensure critical alerts play first. Once configured, use the test button for each event and confirm the local file path is correct to avoid browser cloud issues. Make incremental tweaks until timing feels natural. To finish, run a private stream or recording and trigger multiple alerts to confirm timing, levels, and overlaps. Watch both stream output and your local monitors. If you don't hear alerts, first verify desktop audio and browser source output device, then check source order. Muted or hidden sources won't play. If problems persist, clear Streamlabs cache, re-add the alert source, and inspect the Windows sound mixer to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.